Hey y'all, so it's Shea here, and I wanted to do a wig review for my first video, and this is the wig I'm actually going to do it on. This wig I got from Amazon. The vendor is called Cynosure or something, I don't know, but this is a water wave, and it came in this cute little pink bag. You see the name there, Cynosure. I'm gonna go with Cynosure, but it came with this wig. I'll put how long it is in the description area, but it also came with like 3 pairs of lashes. These little lashes are here. I also have a pair on. They're kind of plasticky, but they're dramatic, cute. But basically this wig is a good affordable wig. I did not pay over, I don't even think I paid over $130 for this wig. And it's fine. It sheds a little bit, like if I were to brush it or something, you see, run my fingers through it, but you really don't have to do that once you wet it. And what I like to do is to bring it back to life after a few days or a day out when it gets really dry. I basically use the trusty things. First, water. Get your little spray bottle. I also use coconut oil. This actually came from the Dollar Tree, and it's melted because it was in a hot area. But yeah, this came from the Dollar Tree, so you don't need anything expensive. And I use some conditioner. I use the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine conditioner, the coconut and hibiscus one. See, I'm almost out. I need to re-up. But yeah, I just put a little bit of this on there after I wet and put a little oil on there, and it comes back to life. Now, I've had this wig for like 2 months, and like the first few days I wore it, I just sprayed water on it, and then after a while it needed to be washed. So when you wash this, you don't use shampoo. Use something like just conditioner, basically, if you don't have co-wash. But just wash it out with conditioner, put some oil on it, and put some leave-in conditioner. Now this Shea Moisture conditioner that I have doesn't have a leave-in on it, but I always use it as a leave-in. I use this for my hair up under the wig as well, and I just use it as a leave-in because it's so light, like you don't have to wash it out or anything like that. Let's see if I can get some out of here and show you how light it is. See, I need to reel for real. This is crazy. Okay. So it's like this, See, it's a little light when you see. It'll be perfect for the wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in there since it's on my hand. It smells really good too. But also when I got it, it has a part in it. This is actually a frontal, a lace frontal wig. But I customized my part, added some little baby hairs. I'm not really good with that, but you can see. But yeah, this wig is pretty affordable if you need something to last you a little while. It was only like $120 something, but it's a good wig. Other than